Because my work here in Dubai is also a nurse. That's why I've chosen this faction. Saving lives and preventing harm. I think I should report it to the higher ranks. Okay, noted on that recording. Mm, I will render the CPR whenever there's a dying, right? And I have a question. I noticed when I'm performing the CPR, some patients are not accepting the CPR. Okay, I will just leave, right? Okay. Most important. Mm, be caring and you should know how to assess your patient well, like triage. If someone refuses, I will respect that. Then I will just leave. Abuse 3. That's the AFK thing, right? It's important, especially here in our field, because if you were AFK, then somebody called, you cannot perform the emergency. You cannot perform the CPR because you're AFK. You should take responsibility all the time. Again, ma'am, I will talk to the one reviving. I will tell him to, yeah, that, I will tell him that's not the proper way, so he can do the next time better. It's always have to have recordings, right? Okay. If refuses, um, maybe I can offer the, it's not the pills, the one you drug for free. I mean the food. I can still offer that one. Okay. Okay, I will also do recording. Then I will approach her and the higher ranks about what about that situation. Uh, I will call the I will also call the PD and the supervisor, I think. There's a macro there that if it's getting worse, you can call the PD. Okay.